Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert an image to a Google Sheets on mobile. So here I've already opened a Google Sheets file, and here I'm going to, let's say, add an image to this page right here. So what you need to do is just go to click on the position. For example, here I'm going to go with the B29. Click on the plus icon at the top to go to insert, and here choose image, and you can choose between image in cells or over cells. I'm going to go with in cells. Here I'm going to choose from photos, then just select the photos that you want to add it. For example, I'm going to add these photos right here. So you can see the photos or images had been added, and to make it visible you can just click on this and make the lines or the row bigger, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.